Hello everybody, I'm Prabhagar and welcome to Innovative Coach Academy. In this video, I will show you how to connect Linux instances in Putty server. Before going to this section, you can see two more videos. The first video is how to install PuttyGen and Putty installer, and the next video is how to create Linux instances in AWS account. Those video link is given in description. Check it and trace it. Okay, let's start the section. Open the browser, log in your AWS account. I was already logged in my AWS account. Okay, let's start from the scratch. Click on EC2. I hope you will see that the EC2 stands for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 dashboard will be open. I hope you will see that. Next, you click on instance new. That was present in left column. Next, you click on launch instances. I hope you will see that. Here you will choose an Amazon machine image AMI. In previous video I will explain clearly. Here you will follow my instruction only. Okay, then select free tier only. After select Amazon Linux 2 AMI, then select the 64-bit Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Next choose an instance type. I hope you will see that. Here I will select T2 micro free tier eligible. Next click on configure instance details. Here select number of instances you want to create, then select network virtual private cloud, and then select your subnet. I hope you will see that. Next click on add storage. Here you can configure main memory size for your equipment. Then you can configure your volume type. Okay, I hope you will see that. Next configure add tags. Click on add tag. Two test field is open. In first test pass you will give your key name. Here I will give name. In second test field you will give your system name. My system name is my server 1. Next configure security group. Click on next configure security group. I hope you will see that. Here you will configure your security group. Okay, first you will give your security group name. My security group name is my security group. I hope you will see that, as well as give in description as same name, my security group. Here you configure system type. Next configure what protocol TCP. My port range is 22. Then you can select your source, custom or anywhere, or my IP. I will select your anywhere. I hope you will see that. Next click on review and launch. Here it is review your system configuration. Then click on launch. One pop-up window is open. Here you can select an existing key pair or create a new key pair. Key pair main purpose for security purpose. Okay, I will select create new key pair. I hope you will see that. Next give your key pair name. My key pair name is my security key. After that give your key pair name. Then click on download key pair. I hope you will see that the key pair file is automatically download. Now I will show you in folder. Okay, I hope you will see that. After that successfully create a new key pair. Click on launch instances. Instance or entity instance launches. Your system is now configuring. Your instances are now launching. Okay, scroll down. Next click on view instances. Wait few minutes. I hope you will see that your Linux system was successfully configured, but not see that because your instance state are pending state, and then wait for status check 2x2 check passed. Okay, wait patiently few minutes. After that you can refresh that your system was successfully created. Okay, wait few minutes, be patient. Now instance state as pending state. Yes, your instance state come back to running state. Okay, you can wait for 2x2 check passed until you can wait. Your system check was initializing. Wait couple of minutes. Refresh that. Successfully your system was 2x2 check passed. I hope you will see that. Next, connect your instances in PuTTY server. You click on connect. Your system username and public IP address are available. You can copy that. As now open the PuTTYGen. I hope you will see that PuTTYGen was open. PuTTYGen means a PuTTY key generator. Here it is load your key. First load your keypad. I hope you will see that. You click on load and pop-up is open. Select all file. I hope you will see that. I will select my keypad, my security key.pim. After select, click on open. Next one pop-up window is open. You click on OK. Next save for generated key. I will select my keypad save that save private key. I will select save private key and pop-up window is open. Click on yes. Here it is give password for security purpose. It's not mandatory. Click on yes. Then one pop-up window is open. Here give your private keypad name. Okay. Successfully create a private key. I hope you will see that. Now I will show you in folder. Okay, I hope you will see that private key. My private key name is my Linux server. I hope you will see that. After that, to open the PuTTY. I successfully open the PuTTY configuration. Here give your IP address name. I hope you will see that. Here it is available your IP address. To copy that, paste in host name to IP address. I hope you will see that. Next select connection type SSH. Then select auth. Okay. Don't select GSS /IP. It's not. You can select authentication. I hope you will see that. Here you will browse your keypad. That means private keypad. I hope you will see that. I will select my Linux server keypad. That means a private keypad. Okay. It was creating PuTTY key generator. Hopefully you understand that. Okay. Next click on open. Okay. Again I say don't select GSS AP. Okay. You can select authentication. Okay. I hope you will see that. Our PuTTY server is open and pop-up window is open. Click on S. I hope you will see that your Linux system was successfully opened in PuTTY. Here it is give your username ec2-user. Yes, successfully open your Linux system in PuTTY server. Okay. Next I will show you system running time. To give command uptime, click on enter. I hopefully you will see that my system was opened 2 minutes ago. Okay. Then log out my Linux system in a PuTTY server. Give command is exit. Click on enter. Successfully log out my system. After that I will show you how to connect your instances in browser. Come back to instances. Then click on connect. Next scroll down. Click on connect. Automatically your Linux system was open in your new tab. Okay, I hope you will see that your Linux instance are open in your new tab. You can log in your Linux system. My Linux system was successfully open. I hope you will see that. Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Here it is give your username ec2-user. Next I will show you system time. My system running up time is 8 minutes. One user use. The load average is 0.00, 0.01 to 0.00. Okay. Next I will log out my Linux system. You give command exit. I successfully log out my system. Okay, bye. See you in next video. Any queries, ask me in social medias. I was give my email ID, phone number and website. Okay, thank you. Don't forget hit the bell icon and click on subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.